Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can merge Fortnite accounts. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, the initial page you guys are going to go to is this page that says, "Can I merge my Epic Games accounts?" There's going to be written here that there's no way to merge your two Epic Games accounts. But this doesn't really matter. So, once you get to this page, scroll down to Contact Us button, and it's going to open up this support request. Now, as you can see up in the top, it says, "Can I merge my Epic Games accounts?" and then support request. This is the most important thing. You need to make sure that you are coming from this page specifically when opening the support request. After that, scroll down in the support request section, and you should see some of your information. The first thing you're going to do is go to your platform section and actually put your current platform of the account that you're trying to merge. For example, I used to have an account on PC, and I'm trying to merge it to my Xbox account. After that, select Accounts, and then select Other in the next field. In the description box, describe your problem. You just need to type in something like this and change the platform's name to the ones you want. After that, you just have to hit Submit an email request. Then, they are going to email you as soon as they get your mail. It usually does take 2 to 3 business days, excluding Saturday and Sunday. But it doesn't take that long, and when they do, they'll walk you through a step-by-step progress. So that's basically how you can merge Fortnite accounts. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.